The toffee is amazing. I love it. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, kakain ulit tayo. Welcome to another taste test episode. So in today's video, iti-try natin yung Banoffee pie. And here, meron siyang instructions na consume within 3 days upon receiving and keep refrigerated. So, ayan yung packaging nila. This is made out of paper. Very eco-friendly. And dahil Banoffee pie, meron sila ditong sticker na banana kasi nga, it is made out of banana or the main ingredient is banana. And ito yung logo nila. They are open din sa mga resellers. Putting sa description box yung link nila sa IG and Facebook. So you can check them out. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Tara, kain tayo. Sabayan niyo ako. Let's get on the video! I-unbox na natin. Tada! Grabe, ang ganda! Nakakatakam! Bango! Let's dig in! Well, gusto ko munang i-try yung icing. Icing pa lang, ang sarap na. Malasa na. Tara, kain tayo. Ito yung anatomy ng Banoffee pie. Isa pa nga. Yung crust, it gives playful texture kasi yung Banoffee pie, soft, gooey, sticky, and melts in your mouth. It's like a kind of a mess, and it's not perfectly photographable, but it's delicious. As you can see sa earlier picture na pinakita ko sa inyo, ito, may chocolate chips sila. It adds crunch, little bit of extra sweetness of chocolate flavor. Ooh. In addition to that, as you can see here, meron silang shaved chocolate and drizzle ng toffee on top. Who love that? I do! Panalo! And yung banana, hindi tinipid. Siksik. Don't worry about the mess. Just enjoy. Sarap. Yung whipped cream nila, ang flavorful. Pag kinain mo to, kahit na marami siyang whipped cream, walang tapon. Hindi siya yung nakakaumay. Kasi balance yung mga flavors niya. Though, yung crust niya, there are part na medyo loose or hindi siya ganun katak. Hindi siya ganun ka-compact. Kaya may pagka-grainy. Sobrang sarap. Makakalahati ko na tong family size na Banoffee pie nila. For sure ito, pero parang kaya kong mag-isa. Well, doon mo naman malalaman kung masarap talaga. Kung mauubos mo na. So, a brief summary sa tastes natin. Yung crust, it adds texture sa Banoffee pie as a whole, but I find the crust powdery. I mean, I find the crust not that impact para yung solid crust. And next, yung toffee. The toffee is amazing. I love it. And yung banana nila, well, wala akong masabi. Kasi as usual naman yung banana. And ang masasabi ko lang doon is, hindi ko kasi mapakita dito eh. Ito yung banana nila, oh. Generously stacked up. And sa whipped cream, gaya na sabi ko, ang flavorful. Ang sarap. Kahit whipped cream lang, solve ka na eh. And additional, yung toppings nila. Talagang gawa nila ng paraan. Para tingin pa lang, gaganahan ka na. At dahil for sharing talaga to, magla-launch yung Banoffee pie ng smaller version nito, half a size. Kung 750 grams to, then half nun, magla-launch sila. Oo, ikaw. Try mo na. Ang sarap. Sulit ang 550 mo. So, hindi ko na siya mauubos at ipapatry ko siya sa family ko. And, dahil family size din siya, for sharing, alangan namang suluhin ko siya, i-share natin sa kanila. Okay? So, if you like seeing more this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And comment down below sa next food na gusto nyo makita sa channel ko. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!